In this video, I will guide you to the step-by-step process of transferring money from CIMB Bank to GCash. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so to initiate a money transfer from CIMB Bank to GCash, begin by launching your CIMB app on your mobile device. Now, once the app is open, navigate to the transfer section, usually located in the main menu or dashboard. Now, specifically choose the transfer to other banks option, and once you've selected the transfer to other banks within the CMB app, you will be directed to a page displaying a list of various banks. Now, to streamline the process, simplify your search by using the search function and type GCash. Now, once you locate GCash in the search results, just simply tap on it to proceed. Now, in the following step, you will need to input any essential details for the money transfer within the CIMB app. So, this step involves providing the recipient's account name, account number, and the designated amount you wish to transfer. So, take extra care during this step and double-check all the provided information to ensure accuracy. Now, confirm that the details align with the GCash account where you will transfer to, preventing any errors or delays in the transfer process. Now, once you verify the information, just proceed to confirm the transaction. Subsequently, CIMB will prompt you to input your 6-digit MPIN, so just simply enter the correct MPIN when prompted to proceed with the transaction. And that's it. That's how you simply transfer money from CIMB Bank to GCash. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.